We're living in a world dominated by short-form video. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. They're everywhere. Attention spans are shrinking, and viewers crave quick, engaging content. That's where Shorts come in. They're bite-sized pieces of entertainment that can capture attention and leave a lasting impact. If you're not creating Shorts, you're missing out on a huge audience. Remember those long, drawn-out vlogs? Yeah, those days are fading fast. Today's viewers want instant gratification. They want to be entertained, informed, or inspired in under a minute. And that's the beauty of Shorts. They force you to be concise and creative. No more rambling, no more fluff, just pure, concentrated awesome. But here's the thing. Creating engaging Shorts can be a challenge. You need to grab attention instantly, deliver your message quickly, and leave viewers wanting more. It's a tall order, but don't worry, I've got your back. In this essay, I'm going to share my secrets for creating viral AI Shorts that will blow up your channel. Get ready to level up your content game. Let's face it, coming up with fresh, engaging content day after day can be exhausting. The constant pressure to innovate and stay relevant can drain your creativity and energy. That's where AI comes in. It's like having a tireless assistant who never runs out of ideas. Think of AI as your creative partner, your brainstorming buddy, your secret weapon for conquering the world of Shorts. It's there to support you, inspire you, and help you push the boundaries of your creativity. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, write scripts, and even create entire videos with just a few clicks. Imagine having a co-writer who's always ready to brainstorm and refine your concepts. Now I know what you're thinking. Casey isn't using AI cheating. Absolutely not. It's about enhancing your capabilities, not replacing them. AI is just a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Think of a hammer. You can use it to build a house, or you can use it to smash your thumb. The choice is yours. The same goes for AI. It's a powerful tool that can amplify your creativity if used correctly. Use it wisely, and it can become your greatest asset. It can transform your workflow and elevate your content. With AI, you can overcome creative blocks, generate endless ideas, and produce high-quality content at lightning speed. It's like having a creative powerhouse at your disposal. It's like having a team of writers and editors at your fingertips 24/7. And the best part? It never gets tired or needs a break. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. These tools are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. AI tools are becoming increasingly user-friendly, making them accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, you can harness their power. So, are you ready to unleash the power of AI on your Shorts? The future of content creation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, ChatGPT. This AI-powered language model is a game changer for content creators. Imagine having a conversation with a super intelligent AI that can understand your ideas, offer suggestions, and even write scripts for you. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. Here's how it works. You give ChatGPT a prompt, like, give me some viral short video ideas about making coffee. ChatGPT will then analyze your request and generate a list of creative and engaging ideas. You can refine these ideas further by asking follow-up questions or providing more specific instructions. But ChatGPT's talents don't stop there. You can also use it to write video scripts, generate catchy titles and descriptions, create social media captions, translate your content into different languages. The possibilities are endless. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll never run out of content ideas again. Section 4. Faceless videos, engaging content without the camera. Shy. Not everyone is comfortable being in front of the camera, and that's okay. With Faceless Channelidias, you can create captivating content without ever showing your face. This is a great option for introverts, people who value their privacy, or anyone who wants to experiment with different content styles. There are tons of ways to create faceless videos. You can use animation. Bring your ideas to life with animated characters, objects, and environments. Screen recordings. Share tutorials, walkthroughs, or presentations with voiceovers. Stock footage. Combine high-quality stock videos with music and text to create engaging montages. Text-based videos. Use kinetic typography, animated text, and eye-catching graphics to deliver your message. The key to successful faceless videos is to focus on storytelling and visual appeal. Use compelling visuals, clear audio, and a strong narrative to keep your viewers engaged. Remember, you don't need to show your face to connect with your audience. Section 5. Editing magic, bringing your AI Shorts to life. Once you have your script and visuals ready, It's time to work your editing magic. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Don't worry, you don't need to be a professional video editor to create stunning shorts. With the right tools and a bit of practice, anyone can do it. There are tons of user-friendly video editing apps available that make the process a breeze. These apps often come with tutorials and templates to help you get started. Here are some key editing tips for creating viral shorts. Keep it short and sweet. Aim for videos under 60 seconds, or even shorter if possible. This keeps your audience engaged and wanting more. Start with a bang. Grab attention in the first few seconds with a strong hook. This could be an intriguing question, a surprising fact, or a captivating visual. Use transitions and effects. Add visual interest and keep the energy high. But remember, less is more. Don't overdo it. Choose the right music. Music can make or break your video, so choose tracks that fit the mood and pace. A well-chosen track can elevate the entire viewing experience. Add text and captions. Make your videos accessible to everyone, even those watching without sound. Clear, concise captions can also emphasize key points. Remember, editing is where you can truly elevate your shorts and make them stand out from the crowd. It's your chance to add your personal touch. Experiment with different techniques, find your style, and have fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the better your final product will be. Section 6. Going viral tips and tricks for maximum reach. Creating great content is just the first step. It's essential to understand that content alone won't make you go viral. To truly blow up your channel, you need to optimize your shorts for virality. This means paying attention to every detail. Here are some tips to get your videos seen by millions. Asterisk. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are crucial for discoverability. Hashtags help people find your content, making it easier for new viewers to stumble upon your videos. So use a mix of popular and niche hashtags that are relevant to your video. Asterisk post consistently. The more you post, the better your chances. The more likely you are to get noticed. Consistency is key in building an audience. Aim for at least one short per day, or even more frequently. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show that you value their input. Run contests to build a loyal following. Engagement fosters a sense of community. Collaborate with other creators. Cross-promote your content by collaborating with other creators in your niche. This can expand your reach. By working together, you can tap into each other's audiences. Asterisk promote your shorts. Share your videos on other social media platforms to maximize exposure. Embed them on your website or blog to drive traffic from different sources. Remember, going viral is not just about luck. It takes strategy, consistency, and a lot of hard work. And a little bit of hustle. Stay dedicated and keep refining your approach. But with the right approach, you can reach a massive audience and make a significant impact. You can reach a massive audience and achieve your content creation goals. Stay focused, stay creative, and watch your efforts pay off. Section 7. The future is now. Start creating today. The world of short-form video is constantly evolving, but one thing remains constant: the power of engaging content. With AI tools like ChatGPT and the rise of hash-faceless Channelidias, there's never been a better time to start creating. You don't need fancy equipment, a film crew, or even to show your face. All you need is a story to tell and the creativity to bring it to life. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner filmmaker, embrace the power of AI, and start creating viral shorts that will captivate the world. The future of content is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it. Get out there and make some magic.